Hi, welcome back to EST Online. Today, we're looking at three verbs connected to time: waste, take, and spend. How do we use these, and what's the nuance difference? Well, I think we know the meaning of waste. Waste sounds like trash. It sounds like garbage. So if you say, I wasted 2 hours doing something, or I wasted 2 hours on something, it's telling the listener that you think it was very unproductive. It was not an effective use of your time. Now, when we use the word take, we have to change things around a little bit. I wasted 2 hours on this project. This project took 2 hours. So take tells us that we couldn't control the amount of time. We couldn't control how much time we use. This was the start and the end. I was not in control of that situation. It doesn't sound like we like it. It doesn't sound like we hate it. It's just simply a fact. Finally, spend. When we use the verb spend, it tells the listener that we control the amount of time. I spent 90 minutes on this project. It means I invested that time, but I chose when to start and when to stop. So very simple. Waste tells us that it was very ineffective. Take tells us we had no control. Spend tells us we have control. That's the difference between these verbs when we talk about time. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.